13.361. There are three coins. One is a two-headed coin. So two-headed coin means both sides are head. Another is a biased coin that comes up head 75% of the time. That means probability of getting head is 75%. That means 75 by 100 in that coin. Third coin is an unbiased coin. That is the normal coin. Now one of the three coins is chosen. So from these three coins, one coin is chosen and tossed and it shows head. What is the probability that it was the two-headed coin? There are three coins and one of the coins is selected and tossed, and it is given that the coin, it shows head, that is given. So when one coin is tossed, it shows head, that is given. What is the probability that it was the two-headed coin? So what is E1? E1. That is, what is the probability that it was the two-headed coin? So E1 we can take the coin selected is two-headed coin. Coin chosen is two-headed coin. Is two-headed coin. Then E2. E2. See, there are three types of coins. First one, two-headed coin. Second one, biased coin. Then third one is unbiased coin. Third is unbiased coin. Now we want to find the probability that, what is the probability that it was the two-headed coin? So we want to find probability of what we want to find. And A, given event, the coin shows, it shows head. Coin shows head. Okay. So we want to find probability of E1 given A. Probability that the coin chosen was two-headed coin. So we have to find probability of E1 given A. So we write the formula, probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 divided by probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A given E2 plus probability of E3 into probability of A given E3. Then we can substitute the values of probabilities. Probability of E1, that means probability that the coin chosen is two-headed coin. See, there are three coins are similar. Three coins are similar. So what is the probability of selecting two-headed coin? That is 1 by 3. Probability of selecting each coin is 1 by 3 because two similar coins. So probability of E1, probability of E2, probability of E3, all 1 by 3. So probability of E1 1 by 3 into probability of A given E1. If the coin is unbiased, first type, coin is two-headed coin, what is the probability of getting head? What is the probability that coin shows head? If the two-headed coin is chosen, in the two-headed coin both sides are head. So what is the probability of getting head? 2 by 2, that is 1. Divided by same thing, probability of E1 into probability of A given E1. 1 by 3 into 1 plus probability of E2, that is also 1 by 3 into A given E2. If it is biased coin, what is the probability of getting head? Biased coin, in that 75% of the time head occurs. That comes up heads 75% of the time. That means probability of getting head is 75 by 100. 75 by 100, that is 3 by 4. 75 by 100 is same as 3 by 4. That is plus. Then probability of E3, 1 by 3 into probability of A given E3. If the unbiased coin is selected, what is the probability of getting head? That is the usual probability 1 by 2. Now here 1 by 3, by 3 here, by 3 here, by 3. So in all the terms there is by 3 that we can cancel. Then we can simplify. So that is equal to 1 divided by here 1. 1 plus 3 by 4 plus here 1 by 2. So that is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 3 plus 2, 5 by 4. That is 1 by 4 plus 5. 9 by 4. 9 by 4. That is equal to 4 by 9. 4 by 9. So the answer is 4 by 9. Now see the question number 7. An insurance company insured 2,000 scooter drivers, 4,000 car drivers, 6,000 truck drivers, and the probability of an accident are 0.01, 0.03 and 0.15 respectively. That means probability that the scooter driver meets with an accident is 0.01, and probability that car driver meets with an accident 0.03, and probability that truck driver meets with an accident 0.15. That is given. Now one of the insured persons meets with an accident. That is a given event. One of the insured persons meet with an accident. That is given. In that case, what is the probability that he is a scooter driver? Who meets with an accident is scooter driver that we want to find. So what is E1? So E1, that means the insured person is scooter driver. See, what is the probability that the insured person is a scooter driver? That is E1. E1, E2, anyone we can take. So E1 is the question, what is the probability that he is a scooter driver? So E1 we can take the insured person. Insured person is scooter driver. And E2 we can take insured person is car driver. And E3 we can take truck driver. Now A is the given event. What is given? One of the insured persons meet with an accident. So insured person meets with an accident. Now what we have to find? We want to find the probability that he is a scooter driver. So probability of E1 given A. So we want to find probability of E1 given A equal to probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 divided by probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A given E2 plus probability of E3 into probability of A given E3. Then we can find the probability. That is equal to probability of E1. That means what is the probability that the insured person is a scooter driver? See here, how many total drivers, how many are there? 2,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000. In that, 2,000 are scooter drivers. So what is the probability that the insured person is a scooter driver? That is 2,000 divided by total number of drivers. That is 2,000 divided by 6 plus 4 plus 2. That is 12,000. Into A given E1. Probability of A given E1. If it is that person, insured person is scooter driver, what is the probability that he meets with an accident? So for a scooter driver, what is the probability of getting accident? 0.01. 0.01, or we can write 1 by 100 divided by 2,000 divided by 12,000 into 1 by 100 plus. Now probability of E2. Probability of E2 means it is a car driver. Car driver means 4,000 divided by 12,000. 4,000 divided by 12,000 into, what is the probability of getting an accident for car driver? 0.03. That is 3 by 100 plus. Then probability of E3. That means probability that the insured person is truck driver. That is 6,000. 6,000 divided by 12,000 into, for a truck driver for accident 0.15. 15 by 100. Now we can simplify. So that is here This 1000 we can, here itself we can cancel. Here 1000 we can cancel. Here 1000 we cancel. Here 1000 we cancel. And here by 100, here by 100, here by 100, here by 100. So what is remaining here? Here 2 by 12. That is equal to 2 by 12 divided by here 2 by 12. 2 by 12 plus here 4 by 12 into 3. 4 by 12 into 3 plus here 6 by 12 into 15. 6 by 12 into 15. Now here by 12 by 12 by 12 by 12. That is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus 4 into 3, 12 plus here 6 into 5, 90. That is equal to 2 by that is 1 by 52. Okay.